Hi everyone, we're going to work on ER and IR verbs today, and these verbs work very much like the AR verbs that we've been working on. By the end of this PowerPoint, you should be able to use ER and IR verbs in sentences. Okay, so while you're watching, take notes. Okay, these are some examples of ER and IR verbs. You know the verb beber. That means to drink. Okay, see? To drink. Leer, which means to read. He's also reading. Escribir, which means to write. Vender, which means to sell. And you can see it looks like the word vendor. Okay? Or vending machine. Okay, vender, to sell. Correr, to run. Aprender, to learn. Vivir, to live. Okay, maybe you've heard that song, Viva la vida loca. Vivir, to live. And finally, compartir, to share. Compartir. So we've already learned AR verbs, and you're going to see that ER and IR verbs work the same. So let's review AR verbs. We have o, as, a, amos, ais, an. So repite. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, ellos hablan. And remember, it's step 1, drop the ending. And step 2, add new ending. So you're going to see that ER and IR work really similarly. Okay, so for ER verbs, you drop the ER. So if we were working on the verb comer, we would take off the ER. And then we add the ending. So look. O, S, E, amos, eis, en. So guess what they look like? It looks just like AR, but with E's. That's why they're ER verbs. So let's go through this verb comer. Repite. Como, comes, come, comemos, coméis, comen. So notice that the only difference between ER and AR verbs is that you're going to use E's instead of A's. And here you can see it down here. Here are the AR verbs, and here are the ER verbs. So they look really similar. And IR verbs are almost the same as ER verbs, but IR verbs have an IMOS and an IS. And otherwise, they look identical to ER verbs. So, O, S, E, imos, is, en. Again, IR verbs look almost identical to ER verbs except for imos and is. So here we go. The verb abrir, to open. Abro, abres, abre, abrimos, abris, abren. And then if we compare ER and IR, only nosotros and vosotros is different. The rest you can see, I'll highlight in blue, are the same. Okay. So if you're conjugating a verb, you have to know what the verb ends in. So that's why you have to memorize the vocabulary. So you have to know hablar, spelled ar, A-R, and comer is spelled and E-R. And abrir, or escribir, is written with an IR. Okay, so we'll do some examples. So if we were going to do the boys write a lot, we take the verb escribir. We're going to drop the IR. So I have just escribe. And then I add the rest of my sentence. So I would say, the boys, los chicos, escribe. And then since it's the boys, I know that's they, like ellos and ellas. I add an en, escriben, and then mucho. That's a lot. So you see, I have to know, I'm gonna move that. I have to know that it's ellos for los chicos, okay? Alrighty, here, ellos. Oh gosh, that was a bad writing. I'll erase it. Okay, let's do one more. I drink sodas, so I'm going to drop the ending, beb, okay, bye-bye, ER. And I want to say I drink, so bebo. And then sodas is refrescos. And we remember that from Unit 2. Bebo refrescos. Okay, now here's some examples that you have to do. Pause it and write these so that you can show them to me in class. Bye.